Enjoy competitive savings rates, instant access, and FDIC-insured protection on your US dollars. Before we begin, make sure you're a Level Up member, which determines the APY you'll earn on your USD Cash Earn balance. Click on the link in the video description for more. Depending on your Level Up plan, you'll earn 1.5% APY as a basic member, up to 4.5% as a Plus member, and up to 5% as a Pro or Private member. Ready? Let's begin! First, you need to open a USD Cash account to deposit your funds before transferring them to your USD Cash Earn account. From the home screen, tap Accounts, then Open. Review key details, then hit Agree and Continue. Your USD Cash account is now ready. Next, you'll need to deposit funds into your account. From the home screen, hit Deposit, then select your preferred method and follow the instructions. For greater convenience, we recommend making an instant deposit. If this is your first time doing so, you'll first need to link a bank account. Tap Add Bank Account, and you'll be redirected to Plaid, where you can sign in securely. Select your banking institution and follow the instructions to connect. Once your bank is linked, choose the account, enter the deposit amount, and confirm. Your cash will appear instantly in your USD Cash account. Now that your account is funded, you can open your USD Cash Earn account. From the account screen, select your USD Cash account. On the next screen, you'll see a USD Cash Earn tab. Hit the tab, then choose Add and Continue. Read the terms, then tap Agree and Continue. Once confirmed, your USD Cash Earn account will be created instantly. The final step is transferring your funds. On the USD Cash Earn account screen, tap the Transfer button and decide how much to transfer from your USD Cash account. Review the transfer details and confirm. And you're done! Your USD Cash Earn account is where you'll accrue regular earnings based on your Level Up plan. Multiply your money today with USD Cash Earn.